Are you tired of lugging around a full-size circular saw for simple cuts? Mini circular saws have completely changed the DIY game, and today we're breaking down the best mini circular saws you can buy right now. We're talking power, blade size, cutting depth, portability, and value, so you can find the perfect one for your workshop. Let's get into it. Kicking things off, the Inequality Mini Circular Saw is a solid budget-friendly corded pick running on a 4-ampere motor at 3,500 revolutions per minute. It comes with a laser guide, rip guide, vacuum adapter, and a blade wrench. Everything you need right out of the box. The 4.5-inch TCT blade handles a max cutting depth of 1 to 11/16 of an inch at 90 degrees, making it plenty capable for everyday woodworking tasks. What really stands out here is the value you're getting without spending a lot. It's smooth, accurate, and reliable for small home improvement and DIY projects. Number 2 is a special circular saw. We'll talk about this later. Keep watching. Number 3, Dryton's Mini Circular Saw. The Dryton's Mini Circular Saw was clearly designed with tight spaces in mind. Powered by a 400-watt motor at 3,400 revolutions per minute. It uses a compact 4-inch blade and comes loaded with 6 blades and a handy carrying case, making it a fantastic all-inclusive kit. It also features a dual safety switch that requires simultaneous pressing, which is a great extra layer of protection. It's a solid workhorse for drywall, light wood trim, and confined area cuts where bigger saws just can't reach. At 5.61 pounds, it's manageable and well-balanced for extended use. A great choice for tight space cutting with a focus on safety. Number 4, Unirvana Mini Circular Saw. The Unirvana Mini Circular Saw brings something genuinely clever to the table. A unique motor post position design that shifts the center of gravity, making one-handed operation noticeably more comfortable. With a 4-ampere motor at 3,500 revolutions per minute and 2 included 24T, T, C, T blades, it's well equipped from day one. At 6.13 pounds, it's not the lightest on this list, but that balanced weight actually helps control. Max cutting depth sits at a reliable 1 to 11/16 of an inch at 90 degrees. A smart pick for users who want better control and cut line visibility on their projects. Number 5, Galax Pro Mini Circular Saw. Now, if raw speed is what you're after, look no further than the Galax Pro Mini Circular Saw. This beast pumps out an incredible 5,200 revolutions per minute, backed by a 710-watt motor. That's the highest revolutions per minute you'll find on a corded 4.5-inch mini saw in this roundup. The 1 to 2/3 inch max cutting depth at 90 degrees keeps it relevant for serious material thickness. Whether you're ripping through hardwood or slicing metal, the Galax Pro doesn't hesitate. It's one of the most powerful compact corded options available today. A powerhouse pick for those who need fast, aggressive cuts. Coming in at number 6, the Inventor Mini Circular Saw takes a different approach by using a smaller 3 to 3/8 inch blade, the most compact design on our entire list. The 4.8 ampere, 580-watt motor still hits 4,000 revolutions per minute, so it's no slouch in the power department. The thumb-activated safety trigger is a thoughtful detail that adds real peace of mind, especially during intricate work. With a 1 to 1/16 inch max cutting depth at 90 degrees, it's ideal for fine, precise cuts in tight corners rather than heavy ripping. If you're doing delicate trim work or detailed DIY projects, this saw's size is a genuine advantage, perfect for intricate cuts and ultra-tight quarter work. Number 7, G-Laxia Mini Circular Saw. The G-Laxia Mini Circular Saw earns its spot here with a pure copper motor that delivers better heat resistance and a longer lifespan compared to aluminum alternatives. At just 5.5 pounds, it reduces arm fatigue significantly for overhead or extended cutting tasks. It's also ETL certified, which confirms it meets North American electrical safety standards, a reassuring detail many budget saws skip. The 4-ampere, 440-watt motor spins the 4.5-inch blade at 3,500 revolutions per minute with a 1 to 11/16-inch cutting depth. It's dependable, well-built, and safety verified, a trustworthy corded pick for users who value long-term durability. Number 8. WorkPro Cordless Mini Circular Saw. Ready to cut the cord? The WorkPro Cordless Mini Circular Saw runs on a 20-volt, 4-ampere-hour lithium-ion battery that fully charges in just 2 hours, keeping your workflow moving without long breaks. It hits 4,500 revolutions per minute, one of the highest speeds for a cordless mini saw, giving you near-corded performance wherever you roam. The 4.5-inch blade cuts up to 1 to 11/16-inch deep at 90 degrees, which covers most common DIY cuts. And here's the kicker: it comes with a limited lifetime warranty, which is exceptional for this price range. Whether you're on a job site with no outlet or working in the backyard, this saw keeps up. The best cordless option if portability and performance are your top priorities. Number 9. BDJHMP Corded Mini Circular Saw. The BDJHMP Corded Mini Circular Saw has a charming vintage feel while being a practical, durable, multi-function cutter for everyday tasks. Powered by a 400-watt motor at 3,400 revolutions per minute with a 4-inch blade, it punches at a 1/2-inch max cutting depth, making it best suited for lighter materials and surface cuts. It bundles in 6 blades and a carrying case, making it one of the most complete starter kits on this list. It's a simple, no-frills tool that just works. Plug it in and start cutting. It's not the most powerful option here, but the all-inclusive package makes it great for someone just getting started. Number 10. Works Mini Circular Saw. Now here's a standout. The Works WX439L work saw is incredibly impressive for its size, and here's why. It boasts a 2-inch cutting depth at 90 degrees, the deepest cut on our entire list. That means it can slice straight through a 2x4 in a single pass, something many mini saws struggle to do. A 4.5-ampere, 540-watt motor at 4,100 revolutions per minute keeps the cuts clean and efficient, and it weighs just 3.99 pounds, making it the lightest corded saw here. The toolless blade swap system makes changing blades fast and painless, which pros and hobbyists alike will appreciate. Coming from Works, a recognized and trusted brand, you know the build quality is there. Best-in-class cutting depth with an ultra-lightweight design. Number 11. Genesis Mini Circular Saw. The Genesis Mini Circular Saw stands out with its barrel grip design that gives you exceptional control and stability, especially useful during plunge cuts. The 4-ampere, 480-watt motor runs at 3,500 revolutions per minute with a 4.5-inch blade, giving reliable cutting performance for a wide variety of projects. It's also backed by a strong 2-year manufacturer warranty and US-based customer support. In a world of no-name budget tools, that warranty and support system is genuinely reassuring. The grip design alone makes it a comfortable all-day tool for focused, detail-oriented work. Great for users who want ergonomic control and long-term brand support. Number 12. XTBT for Mini Circular Saw. The XTBT for Mini Circular Saw hits an impressive combination of power and portability, packing a 4.8-ampere motor at 4,000 revolutions per minute into a frame that weighs just 4.7 pounds. For a corded saw with this much output, that's genuinely lightweight and great for one-handed use over long periods. The 4.5-inch blade handles up to 1 to 11/16 of an inch at 90 degrees for solid general-purpose performance. One fun and practical detail: it actually includes backup batteries for the laser guide, so you never lose your cut line mid-project. It's those small, thoughtful additions that make a tool stand out. A lightweight powerhouse with smart little extras that matter in practice. Number 13. Alloyman Cordless Mini Circular Saw. Now for something completely different. The Alloyman Cordless Mini Circular Saw is a cut-off style mini saw with a jaw-dropping 18,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor. That speed on a 3-inch blade means incredibly aggressive, high-speed cuts through thin materials and pipes. It runs on 20-volt power and includes two 4-ampere-hour batteries, giving you serious all-day runtime without stopping. The brushless motor also means less maintenance and a longer tool lifespan compared to brushed motors. This one is a niche pick, but if you need a high-speed cutoff tool in a mini package, nothing else on this list competes. Number 14. Haichika Cordless Circular Saw. The Haichika Cordless Circular Saw is a heavy-duty cordless option that impresses with a 1 to 7/8-inch cutting depth at 90 degrees, giving it an edge over most other cordless picks on this list. The 20-volt, 4-ampere-hour battery at 3,500 revolutions per minute keeps things running strong through thicker dimensional lumber. It also includes both a parallel guide and laser guide, covering your accuracy needs right out of the box. The included carrying bag adds a nice professional touch for transport and storage on the job. It's reliable, well-equipped, and built for anyone who needs serious cordless cutting capacity. Rounding out our list, the G-Laxia Cordless Mini Circular Saw is the cordless companion to the corded G-Laxia we reviewed earlier, and it's just as well thought out. It weighs only 4.6 pounds with battery, runs a 20-volt, 2-ampere-hour pack, and spins a 4.5-inch blade at 3,400 revolutions per minute with a 1 to 11/16-inch cutting depth. The pure copper motor ensures efficient energy transfer, so every bit of that battery charge goes toward cutting, not heat loss. It won't run all day like the bigger 4-ampere-hour battery options, but for lighter everyday tasks, it's a genuinely portable and efficient little saw. A clean, lightweight cordless pick for casual use and quick projects on the go. And that's a wrap on the best mini circular saws available right now. If we had to pick two standouts, the Works wins for sheer cutting depth and lightweight design, while the Work Pro Cordless is the go-to if you need freedom from a cord. Check all the links in the description below. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Which one caught your eye? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to know.